Hello, I'm Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD, and today I'm going to be telling you about dragon fruit, which is our try something new for the month of October. So here we have the dragon fruit under cold running water just to rinse it off. And as you can see, the dragon fruit has a root and a tip, and we're going to cut from one end to the other to expose the white speckled flesh within. So as you can see, there's little black seeds that run throughout the fruit, but they are completely edible the same way the seeds are in a kiwi fruit. Next, we're going to take a large spoon and use it to scoop out that white flesh and try and avoid any of the red skin from coming out with it. That part is not edible. However, if there's a little bit of the red skin on there, go ahead and pull that off. Next, we're going to dice this up. And dragon fruit can be eaten a number of different ways. It can be included in a smoothie or part of a fruit salad or as a fruit kebab. In this case, we're just going to dice the fruit up and add it back to the skin for a nice presentation. My favorite way is to eat it just like this with a little drizzle of honey on top. All right, let's get that on a plate. We look forward to sharing our dragon fruit with you on October 24th at lunchtime at all MISD elementary schools for Choo Choo Try Something New.